So I have already built the Chrome landing page that we're going to be adding as the default page. Now, to build this, I basically just designed it on Figma and then asked the cursor to like quickly build it. Now, I'm not going to be diving too deep because the cursor made some errors. I had to fix some, and also I added some dynamic stuff. Like as you can see, the time automatically updates, and then along with also the date, and then we have also added a bit of the light and dark theme. Now, so by default, it is set as the dark mode. Now, even if I refresh, it's set to dark mode. And also you could see that when I refresh the page, we have this smooth animation. Now, if I were to set it as light mode, now if I refresh again, now you'd see that it stays on the light mode. Now, what basically we're doing is we're basically storing the value or basically the theme in the local storage, and then we basically grab it from there, and then we just see if the mode is light or dark, and then we just basically switch it back and forth. So yeah, so this is the page. Now for you, you can add any page that you want. Now the source code of this would obviously be in the description, so you guys can also use this as your Chrome's landing page. Now maybe in future I'll be making a detailed video of how you can like build something really cool with that. So yeah, we have the page ready. Now all we gotta do is we need the path of this page. So I'm gonna be going on my Finder, and here I have the folder open. I'll just right click and then just copy the path. Now, if you're using on Windows, you can easily copy the path from the top search bar. So I'm just gonna be copying the path, and once I have the path copied, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be coming here. I'm gonna be going to settings, then on startup, initially what you'd see is when you click on here, open specific page, you'd see this as an empty. Here you're going to click on add a new page, and here you're going to just paste in the URL. Now this could obviously be something external, so if you have any external site link that you want to add, you can obviously add that. I'm just going to be adding that, and let's restart it again. I'm just going to be typing from here, just there we go. All right. As you can see, when you open the Chrome, we see our landing page, and that's really cool, really fun. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I wanted to keep the video a bit short because I've been really busy with a lot of stuff. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. Hope you learned something cool. So yeah, you can play with this. The source code will be in the description, so you guys can download and play with that. So meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.